Levi?
Yeah. Levi, yeah. Sorry, what was your name again?
Harriet. Did she not?
No.
Never mind. So, nice little place, right?
Yeah. To be honest, I prefer clubs and that. I love the vibe.
Yeah. I just thought this would make for a good first date. You know, can actually hear each other talk.
Oh, right, for sure.
What do I know? I haven't been on a date in ages. Kirsty forced me to come tonight, said it would be good for me. So, do you want a coffee or anything?
Yeah, I'll go get one. One for the lady? Latte?
Yeah. Cold. So, how do you know Kirsty again?
Kirsty? Oh, yeah, it's been so long, I almost forgot. Yeah, school. Yeah. Great times.
Kirsty mentioned you were from Scotland. It doesn't sound like it.
Aye. Yeah, that's right. Remind me, are you free after this?
Well, that usually depends on how the date goes.
So that's a yes then. I live around the corner, this is my local. I only have to ask for the usual.
Not my cup of tea. I mean, coffee.
Hey, sorry. It's chill. I'm just gonna pop to little boy's room, yeah? And then maybe we can go somewhere a little more exciting.